Hi, my name is Shaquita Davis, and I entitled my project Division. It states my favorite paintings. Top 5 paintings. Impression Sunrise by Claude Monet in 1872. Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh in 1889. David, which is actually a sculpture by Michelangelo in 1501 through 1504. The Water Lily Pond by Claude Monet in 1919, and Starry Night on the Rhone by Vincent van Gogh in 1888. Impression Sunrise. This portrait is the perfect example of a artist's impressive brushstrokes. The medium in this painting is clearly oil paint. The artist used the contrast of different colors to express the vision on the painting. The painting is calm, but yet really complicated. It is known it is known that the luminance of the sun is set on the right side of the painting to showcase the rest of the piece significance. And to the left hand side we have a picture of Impression Sunrise. Starry Night. In Starry Night, Vincent van Gogh used oil paint as his medium. The contrast in the lines show depth, while he painted the cities with calm lines and the sky with wild swirls. This piece also puts me in the mindset of the film director Tim Burton, his movies. One in particular being The Nightmare Before Christmas, dark yet interesting to make you want to continue looking or want more. To the left hand side we have a image of the painting. The sculpture David. David, sculpture by Michelangelo, is a masterpiece of Renaissance sculpture. The piece is created in marble and is a favorite subject in the art of Florence. This particular piece is a new favorite of mine because of the details hidden in plain sight, one being the size of his hand and the reference in which it was said to be bigger because of the reputation of it being a help from God. To the left hand side is a picture of the sculpture. The Water Lily Pond. This portrait itself is very gorgeous to look at. The color scheme is not too much and it is simple. The story behind the painting is that the financial worries that had plagued Monet for most of his life were coming to an end, and he was able to buy Giverny. It would result in lavish properties, which include a garden. He used oil paint on this canvas as well. To the left hand side, you see the image. Starry Night on the Rhone. Vincent van Gogh painted yet another similar piece, but this particular painting was painted at a spot on the banks of the river, which was only a minute walk from the yellow house on the place, which Van Gogh was renting at the time. It is said that the night sky and the effects at the night provided the subject for his more famous paintings. The painting itself image is so calm yet interesting to look at. It's simple and not complex. The lines of the image are blurred and run together smoothly. To the left hand side, you will see the image. Thank you guys for taking the time out to listen to me showcase my top 5 paintings. Included are a few paintings I have done in the past when I was in high school. Also some cited source that I got my information from. Again, thank you guys so much.